China's sixth-generation fighter jet program represents a significant leap in aerospace technology and military capability, signaling its ambition to become a dominant force in global air power. Though details are officially limited, available intelligence, leaks, and military analyses provide a compelling picture of what this next-generation aircraft may offer and what it means for the future of aerial warfare. Unlike previous fighter generations that focused primarily on speed and maneuverability, sixth-generation jets aim to dominate the battlespace using a combination of stealth, artificial intelligence, hypersonic capability, advanced sensors, and unmanned teaming. China's progress in these areas has accelerated over the past decade, driven by its rapidly expanding defense budget, state-sponsored research institutions, and strategic industrial partnerships. This futuristic aircraft is expected to go far beyond the capabilities of the current J-20 Mighty Dragon, which itself is a fifth-generation stealth fighter already in service with the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PAF. The sixth-generation fighter will likely feature advanced stealth technologies, making it nearly invisible to modern radar systems. These advancements are expected to include plasma stealth, adaptive camouflage, and radar-absorbing materials more advanced than those used in the J-20. Additionally, it will possess sophisticated sensor fusion, allowing the pilot or potentially an onboard AI to process massive amounts of battlefield data in real time. This sensor integration will enable superior situational awareness and quicker decision-making in high-pressure combat environments. One of the most revolutionary aspects of this fighter jet is expected to be its integration with unmanned systems, including drone wingmen. These loyal wingmen will be eye-controlled drones flying alongside the manned aircraft to conduct surveillance, electronic warfare, or even execute precision strikes. This man-unmanned teaming concept is a major part of sixth-generation warfare and could dramatically extend the operational reach and survivability of human pilots. Artificial intelligence will also play a major role in both flying the jet and executing missions. Co-pilots may take over certain functions during missions, from threat detection to countermeasure deployment, reducing pilot workload and increasing combat efficiency. Furthermore, the aircraft could employ hypersonic weapons, making it capable of striking targets at extraordinary speeds before they can react. China's defense industry, particularly state-owned aerospace companies like Aviation Industry Corporation of China, is rumored to be leading the development of this program. Test flights may already be underway in secrecy, with a possible public reveal in the late 2020s or early 2030s. The fighter is likely to be carrier-capable, indicating China's intent to project air superiority beyond its borders and into global waters. In the broader context of global power competition, China's sixth-generation fighter serves as both a technological milestone and a strategic warning. It not only showcases